today. We're at the Vanderbilt Beach Resort. Today is our last day in Florida. Last night we unfortunately did not see the green flash, but that's still okay. We can still look for it on our plane.
Mom, look at my jellyfish.
So
Mom, look at my jellyfish.
maybe it will
Hey,
come
Mom,
tonight,
do you see
maybe
my
not.
jellyfish?
I'll show you our hotel
Hey, Mama.
called the Vanderbilt Beach Resort, and it has the Turtle Club, and also the beautiful foggy ocean. So, yeah, I met a friend and he told me about the green flash. So, yeah, and then just learned about it more. And today I'm going to show you how to build a sandcastle. So, here, Mom, I'll show them how